Is it time to buy or sell Advanced Micro Devices stock? In this video, we will explore Advanced Micro Devices in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 2nd of August, in the year 2024, and we are now here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analyses. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the first day of August in the year 2024, our system has identified Advanced Micro Devices as a strong sell candidate, resulting in a score of -5.58. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time. The stock recorded a loss of 0.03%. This equates to an average daily loss of 0.02% since it was designated as a strong sell candidate. The stock is currently positioned at the lower end of a broad and declining trend in the short term, which often represents a favorable buying opportunity. Should the lower trend floor at $132.42 be breached, it would indicate an increased rate of decline. Analyzing the current 3-month trend, there is an anticipated change of approximately -3.95% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging between -4.01% and 31.87%. Regarding the 12-month trend, it indicates a significant change of 46.43% over the next year, with a potential return between 46.43% and 168.15%. This corresponds to a projected price range of $194.02 to $355.30 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for Advanced Micro Devices includes the headline, Weaker Technical Forecast for Advanced Micro Devices as Stock Downgraded to Strong Sell Candidate. The Advanced Micro Devices stock price fell by approximately 0.03% on the last day, which was Friday, the 2nd of August, 2024, dropping from $132.54 to $132.50. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 4.39%, with a low of $131.33 and a high of $137.10. The price has declined in 7 of the last 10 days, resulting in a drop of 12.59% during this period. Volume also decreased on the last day, along with the stock, which is typically a positive indicator, as volume should align with stock performance. On the last day, the trading volume fell by 15 million shares, totaling 78 million shares traded for approximately $10.33 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached $227.30, while the lowest price was $93.12. Currently, the price is 41.71%, or $94.80, below the 52-week high of $227.30, which is also the all-time high for the stock. Advanced Micro Devices, or AMD, finds itself in a compelling position amid recent market dynamics. Despite a slight dip of approximately 3% following its earnings report, AMD's second quarter results showcased significant growth, particularly in its data center segment, which nearly accounted for 49% of total revenues. This strong performance highlights AMD's ability to capitalize on the ongoing artificial intelligence boom, which is crucial for its stock performance both in the short and long term. Investors are increasingly recognizing the valuation disparities within the semiconductor sector as the race for artificial intelligence escalates. Demand for chips remains robust, with AMD well-positioned to benefit from this trend, potentially leading to more favorable valuations moving forward. Additionally, with NVIDIA facing an antitrust probe, AMD could seize market share as competitors navigate regulatory challenges, further enhancing its growth narrative. As the ramp-up of data center GPU shipments is expected in the latter half of 2024, AMD's free cash flow margins could see substantial expansion, reinforcing confidence among investors. Analysts are optimistic about AMD's prospects, especially given the upgrades in ratings that reflect a positive outlook for this technology stock. This momentum could lead to a favorable stock response in the near term, particularly as the market digests the implications of NVIDIA's challenges and Intel's recent struggles. The outlook remains optimistic, with AMD's performance serving as a potential cornerstone for future technology investments. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, the 31st of July, 2024, it was reported that Wedbush assigned Advanced Micro Devices an outperform grade with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 31st of July, 2024, it was reported that Goldman Sachs assigned Advanced Micro Devices a buy grade with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 31st of July, 2024, it was reported that Oppenheimer assigned Advanced Micro Devices a cautious grade with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 31st of July, 2024, it was reported that Bank of America Securities assigned Advanced Micro Devices a buy grade with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 31st of July, 2024, it was reported that KeyBank assigned Advanced Micro Devices an overweight grade with a hold action. Analysts have assigned a general neutral rating to Advanced Micro Devices stock. They consider the price-to-earnings ratio as a sell and the price-to-book ratio also as a sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts have provided a neutral rating for the stock. The following signals have been identified for Advanced Micro Devices. Currently, there are few to no positive technical signals. The stock for Advanced Micro Devices is showing sell signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, indicating a more negative outlook. Additionally, there is an overarching sell signal based on the relationship between these averages, with the long-term average positioned above the short-term average. During upward corrections, resistance is expected at the levels of $138 and $158. A breakout above either of these levels would trigger buy signals. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Wednesday, July 10, 2024, and the stock has since declined by 27.97%. Further declines are suggested until a new bottom pivot is established. Moreover, there is presently a sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. On the last trading day, volume decreased alongside the price, which lowers the overall risk, as volume typically follows price movements. Here are some additional signals that may pique your interest. Moving Average Convergence Divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots noted a sell signal 18 days ago. Bollinger Bands signaled a buy opportunity 17 days ago. Short-term moving average generated a buy signal 4 days ago. Long-term moving average indicated a sell signal 14 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages suggested a buy signal 10 days ago. Examining the 12-month chart reveals short moving average signaled a sell recommendation 14 days ago. The long-term moving average also indicated a sell signal 14 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages showed a buy signal 69 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Advanced Micro Devices. There is no support from accumulated volume below today's level, and under certain conditions, the stock may experience significant declines in the coming days. This stock tends to fluctuate considerably throughout the day, and with a wide prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, it is classified as high risk. Over the past day, the stock experienced a movement of $5.77 between its high and low, which translates to a change of 4.39%. For the past week, the average daily volatility of the stock has been 7.42%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for advanced micro devices, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This important ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its earnings per share. This significantly high PE ratio suggests that the stock may be overvalued. However, it is not uncommon for technology companies or those with substantial market potential to have such elevated ratios. In other news, the next earnings report for the third quarter of 2024 is expected on the 29th of October, 2024. Analyst consensus estimates are at 93 cents. Keep an eye on these figures as they can greatly impact stock prices. Now, let's discuss some potential day trading levels for advanced micro devices. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for advanced micro devices is at $132.54. If you do not own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could be a point to consider for swing trading. There is no significant support from accumulated volume below, which indicates that the stock could potentially experience a sharp decline under certain conditions. Proceed with caution and consider making any trades only if you are an experienced trader who understands how to navigate such circumstances. The combined average rating for advanced micro devices from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 15th of July, 2024, Papermaster Mark D made an insider purchase of 16,756 shares of common stock. On the same day, Papermaster Mark D also executed an insider sale of 16,756 shares of common stock. Additionally, on the 15th of July, 2024, he sold 16,756 shares of stock option. On the 12th of July, 2024, Peng Victor conducted an insider purchase of 30,490 shares of common stock. On the same day, Peng Victor sold 15,118 shares of common stock. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we found that the insider power is negative, resulting in a ratio of negative 53.016. In total, insiders acquired 321,252 shares and disposed of 1,111,140 shares over the last 100 trades. We currently hold a negative evaluation for this stock, and there is no stop loss in place. Is Advanced Micro Devices stock a good buy? Advanced Micro Devices exhibits several negative signals and is currently situated within a broad and declining trend. Therefore, we anticipate that it will continue to perform poorly in the coming days or weeks, leading us to maintain a negative assessment of this stock. Due to minor weaknesses observed in the technical picture, we have adjusted our analysis from a sell recommendation to a strong sell candidate since our last evaluation. After examining the volatility and market movements from the previous trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Monday, the 5th of August, we expect Advanced Micro Devices to open at $1.14, starting trading at $133.64. We remind you that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before engaging in the purchase or sale of any securities. Your investment decisions should not rely solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With warm regards from all of us here at StockInvest.